Welcome to DJMTV for breaking news. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel DJMTV and don't forget to click on the notification bell for more videos like this. The question today is, what does Obaseki and Oshiomole wanted from each other that is unknown to the masses? This is a very big question that needs a lot of answers. The Obaseki and Oshiomole's conflict will remain a case of reference in Nigerian politics for a long time to come. And to an extent it will shape the behavioral pattern of our politician, going forward. Now, the power and political importance of the ward chairman, executive of a party has been made clear, with the outcome of Oshiomole's suspension at his ward. For the conflict that has lasted for more than 3 years and still counting, the lead actors in it, that is Oshiomole and Obaseki, individually wanted parallel things, while anticipating a common end of reconciliation. That was like seeking an irreconcilable reconciliation, meaning seeking a possibility within a known impossible process. Today they have both parted ways, away from the expected reconcilable and they had desired. But what was it that Obaseki and Oshiomole had wanted? Oshiomole wanted to be installed as a godfather in Edo, and which Obaseki objected, thereby leading to a very serious political conflict between them, that almost ruined Edo state political standing in Nigeria, as a non-politically violent people. As the conflict peaked, Oshiomole's initial desire was to blackmail Obaseki into accepting him as the godfather he had all along desired, with the threat of no second-term ticket for Obaseki. As the conflict progressed, with Obaseki not budging, Oshiomole recruited iyamu to intensify his pressure, but hoping the party will strike a reconciliation that will give him what he wanted, that will take him as a godfather into Obaseki's second term. Unfortunately, Obaseki still did not heed the manipulation. At this point, Oshiomole went further with the disqualification stroke, hoping to break Obaseki's back, and in the event that Obaseki will appeal it and then the reconciliatory deal will be struck. Sadly, for him, Obaseki considered a better option, and resigned from the APC. This was hugely unexpected in the Oshiomole's camp. But that was what happened. Obaseki resigned from the APC. And what Oshiomole got was adversely more than he had bargained for. Oshiomole immediately got his suspension that was all the while held up by the appeal court stay of execution order released, and thus making Oshiomole's suspension to become actionable. So, he got suspended. Furthermore, the APC he had been chairman over fell into crisis as many of his infractions came into manifestation. With 24 hours 3 persons, members of the APC, were laying claim to the acting chairmanship position of the party, a conflict that is yet to be resolved till this moment. Just as Oshiomole's earlier recalcitrancy now resulted in conflicts at the APC national, so it did too at the state level. The Edo state chapter of the APC is now operating in factions. Oshiomole's faction has held its primaries, which the INEC-recognized APC state chairman, Ojeswa, is not aware of. Meaning more troubles ahead for the APC. Obaseki on his part, wanted to be governor indeed, with no interference from Oshiomole or anyone else, having seen what happened to Oshiomole, when some people attempted interfering in the governance of the state when he was the governor of the state. So he wanted Oshiomole kept far from how the state is managed, and him getting a second term to finish what he had started. And he had sympathizers, so as the conflict got messier, some of his sympathizers who also had an axe to grind with Oshiomole, began taking up cases. But not without Obaseki suspending Oshiomole to whittle down his power. Oshiomole disregarded this suspension, which he could have quashed within 7 days of its pronouncement. Unfortunately, it is that same suspension he ignored that took Oshiomole out of the APC chairmanship seat. There were many attempts at reconciliation that Obaseki himself rejected, and the one he eventually accepted, the Business Accounts Reconciliation Committee, could not see the light of the day. And even when he went to meet Bola Tinubu, with some APC's governors for him to intervene, Tinubu bounced Obaseki. He met Buhari as well, yet nothing meaningful happened. In the face of this, Oshiomole went a step higher, by manipulating the screening committee to disqualify Obaseki, hoping that might force Obaseki to seek compromise with him. Instead, Obaseki resigned. So, what did Obaseki get from the entire conflict? Obaseki got accepted into the PDP with the possibility of getting the party's ticket to run for a second term. Obaseki also got more support in a huge faction from the Edo people. He got the support of political leaders across all political divides, and got liberated from APC, that is currently being trailed by many legal cases. The reason Obaseki got such support is because, all through his conflicts with Oshiomole, there was and is no mention of bad governance or mismanagement of state fund against him. So as it stands now, while Obaseki looks forward to the PDP mobilizing Edo State people to vote for him, Oshiomole is probably regretting and hoping he gets a savior that will give him a soft landing in his self-induced political fall. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel DJMTV for more latest and trending news. See you next.
Welcome again to CF View TV. Hope you watched our last episode and I hope you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please, if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. Our question for today is, if a man is called a bachelor, then what is a woman called? Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned with me as I go down the street to get answers from people. I'll be right back. If a man is called bachelor, then what is a woman called?
What's a woman called?
Yes.
Do you understand?
A man who is matured enough to get married, but not married. If he's called a bachelor, then what is a woman called?
Bachelor. It's my wife now. It's my wife now.
Like, hey!
Yes, alright.
I never expected it.
If a matured man who is enough to get married but not married called a bachelor, then what is a matured lady called?
You don't know. You simple now.
A matured lady is called a spinster.
Hey! I died.
If a man is called a bachelor, then what is a woman called? Widow. Widow. A widow.
Like,
Very short, yes. Okay, what about you?
I think a spouse.
A spouse.
hey! I hear me to me.
Okay, a woman is called a spouse. Are you sure?
I just think the spouse goes well.
Thank you very much.
I'll use this hammer to break your teeth.
I never expected it.
A man is called a bachelor, then what is a woman called?
Bachelorette. Bachelorette.
Okay. Okay, are you sure?
Yes.
Very sure.
Yes.
Thank you.
Please, if a man is called a bachelor, what is a woman called?
A Spencer.
Hey! I died.
I never expected it.
If a man is called a bachelor, then what is a woman called?
Woman, man, we call it bachelor. Woman is called bachelorian, or let me say bachelorian. Bachelorian.
Hey!
Good answer, bachelorian or bancho. Bachelorian. Very good answer, bachelorian or bancho. Bancho, bachelorian. Or you can also say bencho. Bencho.
Like,
Okay, if a matured man old enough to get married but not married called a bachelor, then what is a woman called?
Now come look at this.
A single lady now. A single lady now.
Okay, then what are you called?
I'm a single lady searching for a husband.
if you don't get out of here now, I'll use this hammer to break your teeth.
I never spell it.
If a man is called a bachelor, then what is a woman called?
A spinster. Yeah, a spinster, something like that.
Are you sure?
Yes, 100%.
Hey, I hear me to me,
If a man is called a bachelor, then what is a woman called?
A woman is called an what is that? Priest. Sorry, I forgot it. I don't. I just can't.
Try. A man is called a bachelor.
Yes.
Then what is a woman called? Try remember. Any suggestions?
I'm good. I just can't. I can't remember it.
Okay, no problem. You can't try at all.
I never spell it.
Okay. If a man is called a bachelor, then what is a woman called?
A bachelor now.
Bachelor.
Yeah.
A bachelor. Yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. No. I'm sure.
Another option.
When a man is called a bachelor, is like it's something that bring love to the family. Yeah. And it's called we can put it that way because yeah, it's okay like that.
Welcome back. Hope you learned something new from the show. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our social media pages. I remain your girl Mola. If I see you next time.